Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Motion for AI scheduling and productivity, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the official Motion website. Look for the subscription options available on the homepage. Select the plan that best fits your scheduling and productivity needs. You will be redirected to the sign up page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that you will remember. Confirm your password to ensure it matches. Fill out any required personal information, such as your name. Review the subscription details and ensure everything is correct. If there are any promotional codes available, enter them in the specified field. Proceed to the payment section to enter your payment details. Select your preferred payment method, such as credit card or PayPal. Fill out the necessary payment information accurately. Review your input to avoid any mistakes. Once everything is correct, click on the Submit or Confirm Payment button. After successfully processing your payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email to finalize your account setup. Log into your new Motion account using your email and password. Explore the features available to start optimizing your scheduling and productivity. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard to maximize your experience. Begin integrating your tasks and calendar to see Motion in action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.